अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू इकबाल एंड रूमी सर्कल। हल्का रूमी और इकबाल में खुश आमदेद। मिले हैं हमको आबास है जो मोती इल्म व हिकमत के, हमारा फ़र्ज है पहुँचाएँ उनको अगली नस्लों तक। The pearls of knowledge and wisdom that we have acquired from our ancestors, it's our responsibility now to pass them on to our future generations. Today is a very special day. Today is 17th of December 2023. आज 17 दिसंबर 2023 है और आज से 750 साल पहले आज के दिन 17 दिसंबर को मौलाना जलालुद्दीन रूमी का इंतकाल हुआ था। उस 17 दिसंबर 1273 था वो सन जब उनका इंतकाल हुआ। वो कोनिया में आराम कर रहे हैं। तो आज मैंने सोचा कि उनके लिए कुछ हदिया अकीदत पेश करूं उनकी याद में। So I just thought that I pay a little tribute to Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi on its very special kind of a date. This is 750 years since he has left this world, and look how popular he's becoming by every passing day. The legacy that he left in the literature is amazingly beautiful, and it has been really benefiting the humanity, and this glorifies his name also. So I'll just pick the topic that was his favorite topic and the very first two lines of Masnavi and basically give a little message. Maulana says, Bishno azne chu hikayat mikunad vaz judai ha shikayat mikunad kazne astan tamara babridand az nafiram mardozan nalidand. He says, Bishno, listen, azne, from the flute, listen to the flute. Chu hikayat mikunad, as she tells her story. Was judaiha, and of the separations. Shikayat mikunad, she is complaining. Bishnu azne, बंसरी को सुनो जैसे वो अपनी कहानी बताती है, और अपनी वज जुदाई है, और अपनी जो उसकी जुदाइयाँ हैं, एक नहीं काफ़ी जुदाइयाँ हैं, शिकायत मिकुनत, उनकी शिकायत कर रही है। दूसरा शेर है, कज नेस्ता, बिकॉज from the forest, tamara babridand, that they have really cut me away from my jungle, from my place where I was resting, क्योंकि जिस दिन से इन्होंने मुझे, बंसरी कह रही है, वो फ्लूट कह रही है कि मुझे जिस दिन से मेरी लकड़ी को वहाँ से मेरे दरख्त से मुझे काट के यहाँ पे लेके आए हैं, अज नफीरम, मेरे रोने से, from my crying, from my wailing, mardo zan nalidand, men and women are also very sad. They are also crying. When they listen to my cries and my wailing, my voice, they are crying also. So, simply put, Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi is comparing the ruh, the spirit that has been separated from Alam-e-Arwah, with audience from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala up high, where all the souls were living together, and they were very happy in good company up there. There was no sin, there was nothing wrong being done up there, and they were very happy. And now flute is basically the same thing. That flute was very happy as a branch on a tree, and now that they have cut it, the flute is crying. Similarly, that soul, when it comes into the physical body, the soul basically is like in a prison, and it doesn't really have any control over the physical body of the person that it's in, and this is why it's considered itself imprisonment. Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi basically is comparing, it's telling us that we are spiritual beings, and when we come to this world, we have to realize that we have to try to see to it that physical body that we are in has somehow or the other makes connection with us, so that we can somehow or the other stay pure and go back in a pure form. The message in there is for us to connect to the spirit within us, so that we do not get lost in this world. Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi uses an example at another place, and he says that your physical body is like a boat, and this worldly material is like the water. So if you put the water inside the boat, which means if you take the world inside you, then you will drown. But if you use this water to push you up and keep it outside your boat, don't put it inside, then it will lift you and it will take you where you want to go. So do not get lost in this world, but make sure that you purify your soul and keep the soul clean and bring it back. If the more cleaner the soul, more you will be in touch with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is a beautiful kind of a way of remembering it, that do not get lost in this world, and keep your soul and pure as you can get.